This morning I'm making a chicken and corn chowder with some easy homemade pita crisps on the side to dunk in. First step, I've got a pan heating with some oil here, and I've got about 4 strips of streaky bacon. We're just going to fry these. The bacon's crisping up nicely. We're just going to drain it on some kitchen paper and then leave it to one side. Okay, into this pan, leave all the oil in there. Got 1 chopped up onion, quite finely chopped. That's going to go in. It's going to soak up all that bacon flavour. While that's cooking, I'm going to chop up around 3 potatoes. Okay, that's diced up. Add this into the pan. I'll chop up a capsicum too. And as well as that, just got half a teaspoon of dried mixed herbs. Sprinkle that in. And then here I've got a pint of milk. It's about 570 mils. Got mine in a pint bottle, and about 3/4 pint of water. And then this is going to simmer now for about 20 minutes or so. We'll let the potatoes, that is simmering away nicely. We're going to leave that, but first we're going to add in 300 grams of cooked chicken and also a tin of drained sweet corn, chicken and corn chowder. Right, the pita crisps. Got pita bread here. If yours are quite thick, you might want to cut them in half like I have. I'm just going to brush the baking sheet with the olive oil. I find this is the best way to make sure that the bottom of the crisps are coated and they don't stick. It's nice and easy. Into the bowl here of my olive oil, a little garlic salt and a little bit of pepper too. I'm just going to brush them on. My oven's preheating at 190, quite a hot oven. I'll just cut up the rest of these. We'll just lay them out in a single layer. Just check them after 5 minutes. If they're crisping up too quickly, then just reduce the temperature. Otherwise, that will be ready in just a few minutes. We'll chop this up. This is the bacon that we cooked earlier, about 4 rashers of streaky bacon. And this will be ready to sprinkle on top of our chowder as we serve it up. It's gonna be a nice one for dinner tonight. Here is my finished creamy chicken and corn chowder with some homemade pita crisps on the side. I'm just going to finish it off with a little swirl of cream, adding some of the chopped bacon that we cooked up earlier. Oh, delicious. And some fresh parsley to finish.